Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your Oladance OWS Pro available on iOS devices? So, firstly I went to the App Store and trying to find this application, and as you can see, nothing here. So then I open browser, go to official website here and trying to install it from there. And let's open it, and as you can see, it's not available in my region. So my short answer is no, it's not available on iOS devices, but if you have the second device like Android, you can install this application, because you can install APK file. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.